preschool kids with no access to TV or internet to get study kits, says Kerala Minister. CBSE releases special assessment scheme for class 10 and 12 exams. Delhi Skill University launches 11 UG courses, admissions to begin from July 6th. MICA announces Advanced Certificate in Media and Entertainment Management Program. High Court refuses to interfere with DU's exam rules for last year's law semesters. Good afternoon and a warm welcome. You're watching Education News Network, where we get you the latest developments in education at the top of this hour. This is Nitya reporting from ENN, and the daily stories are: preschool children who do not have access to TV or internet facilities would be provided with kits containing activity books, chart papers and crayons to ensure their education is not disrupted during the COVID-19 pandemic, said the Minister for Health, Women and Child Development, Veena George, on Sunday. She said the kits would be distributed to 14,102 children across the state. She noted that the distribution of the kits would be completed in the coming days. Initially, the Department of Women and Children Development had launched a program, Kili Konchal, through Victor's channel from June 2020 to ensure that the preschool education of children was not disrupted during the pandemic. The second phase of the program had been started in 2021. However, it was found that many children could not watch the program as they did not have internet or TV facility at home due to lack of adequate signal strength. Therefore, the department came up with the scheme to make such children a part of the preschool education by providing them with the kits. In light of the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic situation and concerns regarding differential availability of electronic gadgets, connectivity, and effectiveness of online teaching, the CBSE has released a special assessment scheme for the academic year 2021 to 2022. As per the notified scheme, the academic session will be divided into 2 terms with approximately 50% syllabus in each term. The board will conduct annual examinations at the end of each term on the basis of the bifurcated syllabus. This is done to increase the probability of having a board-conducted classes 10 and 12 examinations at the end of the academic session. It further states that the syllabus for the board examination will be rationalized similar to that of the last academic session to be notified in July 2021. For academic transactions, however, schools will follow the curriculum and syllabus released by the CBSE. Schools will also use alternative academic calendars and inputs from the NCERT on transacting the curriculum. The Delhi Skill and Entrepreneurship University, that is DSEU, on Monday launched 11 flagship skill-based undergraduate courses, and admissions for 6,000 seats in their inaugural academic year, that is 2021 to 2022, will begin from Tuesday. Niharika Vora, the Vice-Chancellor of DSEU, announced during an online press conference that the university shall be accepting applications for 15 diploma courses, 18 undergraduate courses and 2 postgraduate courses to be offered across 13 campuses in Delhi. The university is formed with an aim of changing the entire paradigm of skilling. The whole idea is how we make skilling aspirational and how we become a partner in upskilling and reskilling of our nation and helping the industry in that entire process, she said. Describing the newly launched flagship courses such as e-commerce operations, data analytics, digital design and media, facilities and hygiene management, medical laboratory technology, the Vice-Chancellor said, the university aspires to support entrepreneurs and entrepreneurship directly. Our courses are industry embedded. There are partnerships and linkages in diploma and undergraduate degree program where we will prepare each student to face the world and in gaining employable skills for the industry. MICA Ahmedabad has announced the commencement of the admissions procedure for the Advanced Certificate in Media and Entertainment Management program in association with iEducation.com. Interested and eligible candidates may apply for the course. Application form of the same can be found on the MICA website. Graduates in any field from any recognized university are eligible to apply for this course. The course is designed for a period of 11 months and will be conducted online. The program will include theoretical concepts, followed by case studies and practical implementations. Classes will be conducted twice a week with part-time classes and convenient schedules created for working professionals. The Delhi High Court on Monday refused to interfere with Delhi University's decision to conduct online open book exam for intermediate semesters of its law course, which could not be conducted last year due to COVID-19, and said that it would not allow students to dictate terms of examination of a professional course. A bench of Justice Prateek Jalan said while hearing 4 petitions by students of second and final year of Faculty of Law, Delhi University, said, "I am not going to allow students to dictate the terms of exams of a professional course." The court refused to pass a direction to the university to conduct an assignment-based examination instead and clarified that it would not substitute the stand taken by the university. Court can't give mandatory direction to the university to conduct assignment-based examination. The matter is one which the university is authorized to consider. University's policy decision can't be interfered with by court, it said. The court nonetheless asked the university to declare the results of the examinations as expeditiously as possible. That's all for today. Thank you for watching Education News Network. For more such videos, do log on to our website, theENN.com, and don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Signing off, Nitya.